That's what that looks like. Right. So that transmission is down after a lot of cutting. I had to cut the bolts off of the mount there. As you can see, they're stuck into the frame now. I don't know how I'm gonna get those out, but that's what it is. It's down, and now this body can come up. All right, I got the one fender. It looks pretty good. That part's not done because that wire wheel was not ideal for that, and it gets wet, and I'm not painting it today, so I'll let it sit a little bit. But that was important to get because I'm gonna start some fabrication with that stuff right there. So it rained last night. I actually didn't do too bad in here, except that side, which is kind of covered in water. This side managed to stay dry, just a couple streaks of new rust. But I'm gonna try to prime it so that we can avoid this flash rusting stuff. It's all gray out today, so you know, probably expecting some kind of rain, some kind of water. It's just frustrating because right when I started really getting into the grinding these underneath here, when it started pouring yesterday, I didn't get a chance to put my tarps up as fast as I needed or wanted to. So I got a little bit of liquid in there, which, I mean, it's not terrible, but I'm using some old clothes to kind of soak up some of that water. And I mean, it looks good otherwise. It's like a torn ACL to an F. take a little break. We'll make our way over here. Do a couple of pull-ups. You know, for break time.